Welcome back to the Abby Cakes YouTube channel. Today we are going to be making 3 easy Christmas dinner side dishes. The main is very important, but so are the sides. And today we are going veggie style and very, very easy in the air fryer. So the first one we're gonna start with is balsamic Brussels sprouts, and I was gonna leave it at that, but my mom said we should go back and smash them and add Parmesan. So they're gonna end up being a crispy balsamic Parmesan Brussels sprout. So these are a little bit bigger than I'd like, but I think for what we're doing, they're gonna be perfect because we're gonna end up smashing them down. I'm going to add a little bit of olive oil, some balsamic vinegar, salt and pepper, all right, and we're just going to give these a shake in here. One thing that I do like to add, and we'll do it as a finish as well, is a little bit of balsamic glaze. It's a little bit thicker than the vinegar and it really keeps the balsamic flavor. Pour these onto a foil lined pan. Just gonna spread them out so they're not on top of each other. And then we are gonna go into the air fryer at 400 degrees and we'll start with 10 minutes and then we'll rotate and do another 10, smash them down, add Parmesan, and then toast them for a few more minutes. Okay, so the next dish that we are going to make is crispy herb roasted potatoes. So I have a mix of baby potatoes, white, purple, and red. Already cut them up here. Most of them are quarters, but some of them are halves. If they were too small, we just did halves. So I'm going to use a garlic olive oil, about 2 tablespoons in here. These are very, very simple, but so delicious. Some salt, pepper, and Italian herbs. I've got a nice blend here with a bunch of different herbs. And I'm gonna be pretty generous with these. So with my potatoes, I like to make sure they're completely coated. So I'm actually using this bowl I have here that has a lid. I'm gonna dump them in here. And I'm gonna shake them up really well. So then we're gonna go into a foil lined pan. And I'm just gonna spread these out so they're not overlapping. And then we're gonna take these into the air fryer as well. Now we're going to make a rosemary and garlic butternut squash roasted in the air fryer. So I do not suggest peeling and cutting your own squash. It was a lot of work. If you can find them already diced up, it's the way to go if you're looking for an easy side dish to make. However, we did it ourselves and we got a workout. So for the garlic, I have garlic that's been sitting in some olive oil and I love it like this. It gets really, really soft. I'm just going to smash it up. You don't have to, you can definitely use like jarred minced garlic. You can use fresh garlic. I'm gonna throw it in here with the butternut squash. I have fresh rosemary that we've minced up really, really thin. Salt. Pepper, and definitely some garlic olive oil. There we go. And I'm just gonna stir this around. Definitely wanna make sure the garlic gets moved well. But I love the flavor of the rosemary and the garlic with the butternut squash. It's delicious. That looks pretty good. Spread these out. I have some pieces that are bigger than others and I like it like that. I don't like all the same size. I like a few pieces that are a little crispier than others. Okay, let's go into the air fryer. Okay, so our Brussels sprouts have been in for 10 minutes and they actually look really, really good at this point. I don't think we're gonna have to go back for 10 more. We are gonna add the Parmesan and go back for probably about 3 to 5. So be careful, pan's very hot. I am just going to smash these down. All right, and then we'll sprinkle Parmesan. I think for good measure, we'll drizzle some more olive oil. Okay, and then we'll go back in for about 3 to 5 minutes and let these get crispy. Okay, we have them all done. We've got our butternut squash, our Brussels sprouts, and our potatoes. I know how these two taste, but with the addition of the Parmesan per my mom's recommendation, I'm gonna give that one a try because it looks amazing and it smells so good. Very, very good. I like the crispy, I like the little Parmesan on top, and I'm still getting balsamic. It's very, very good. If you have any questions, please let us know, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and happy holidays.